Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a Scrapbook.com haul, and it came in yesterday, which was Friday. Today is Saturday, and I just now have a chance to open it up with you. So here we go, because I don't remember what exactly is in this box. So we shall see. There we go. There it is. Alrighty. And everything else. Oh, yes! Yay! Oh, look. There we go. Alright. I got our Sweet Stories order. And yes, this is the blade for, this is not the blade. Are you kidding me? This is not it. This is the wrong blade again. You're kidding me. Let me see. Okay, let me just, this better be the right blade, damn it, because I need a blade for this thing. It's tearing up my papers. Let's hope. It looks like the right blade. Let's see. So the downfall of having these stupid cutters is you got to replace the blade. Oh, I hope it, yep, it's okay. Thank goodness. Woo! Alright, let's get rid of that. Are we on there? It doesn't feel right. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this one is also bad, so we're gonna just go ahead and ditch these. So I got my blade replacements. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Scrapbook.com, because I looked at Walmart and Hobby Lobby and they didn't have the right blades. Okay, why is this thing not going in? Okay. It's almost like it's too big. Okay, that works. Let me get this out of the way. Sorry, guys. And throw that away. And these are my spare. Yay! They're hard to find. Okay. This was my freebie. It's a stamp. It has the turtle with the birthday cake. So if you just ordered on that day, you got a free stamp with your order, and that was my order. So here is my Sweet Dreams or Sweet Story paper collection. I had to buy individual sheets and doubled on them because they didn't have the 12 by 12 paper pad or the whatever other paper size that I was trying to get. I liked how they packaged it. They sealed it up with some cardboard, but look at these little bows. Lily on Crafting with Liller, she had the open unboxing for her Sweet Stories collection, and she showed the little bows, and yeah, they are just a little bit dimensional. It's got a little bit of a puff to it, not a lot, and oh my gosh, I'm so in love. Now I have something to, you know, hoard. So we'll see. I also ordered the specialty paper. I ordered two. It's the vellum. So this is the foil on vellum, and look at those flowers, guys. This is a gold foil, very pretty. So of course I had to pick up two because, you know, that's gonna go really quick. And then this is the papers that Lily also had opened up, but I told her, I was like, I already ordered that. I didn't realize they were available sooner, but this one I ordered on, I think it was on Monday, and I got it Friday. So Scrapbook.com for this collection was pretty quick, and look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it already. So you're gonna see some doubles in here because I don't have the paper pad. I just went ahead and doubled up on the papers that I did like. So that is the back side. This is Dream Big Happy, and this is the, oh no, this is if I could read upside down, gentlesse, I don't know, kindness. Yeah. And this one is just nothing. It's just to me they look like blueberries. So super cute on this one. I like that. And this is the swans. And Lily shared all these papers, but you know, to have it in your hands, and then you have the geometric on the back. But the swans are so cute. I love how she added more detail with the water and the flowers and the little teeny tiny stars. Very cute. But to hold it in your hand is so different, right? Beautiful mustardy yellow with the pinks. Very pretty. And then you have this what is this called? Like journaling paper? I don't know. But it's cute. It's really good for scrapbooking or junk journaling. And this one is, they call rhyme, but it's numbers. And then you have the flowers in the back. Very cute. Strawberries. So I see a theme. This is the fruit line. Here's another geometric. I just got one. It's a green. And then the back side, I don't know what these are. Oh, they're almost like paint chips, but they're very faded. So that's cool. That's cool. Should have got two of that. Dodo. Here's the little tigers with the flowers on their back. And then you get the black hearts. So that's cute. And you got the puppies with the yellow flowers. I got two of these. And then you have the yellow in the background, that mustardy yellow. It's so pretty. I like that. That's so pretty. And then I got strawberries. Excuse me. Just woke up. It's early. Early, as in almost 10 o'clock. Anyway, strawberries with the pink background. Then you got the peach, almost faded pink polka dots. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. So that's cute. Super tiny. And then here's the cut aparts. I got two of these. I got tags down here, and you got some journaling cards, and then you have these butterflies on the top, and then the pink with the pale pink polka dots. So that's cute. And I did get two of the rainbows, which I'm okay with, but I do love this side, the stars. So they look like they just took washi and made a star. Isn't that cute? And then we have two of the pink flowers, really teeny tiny flowers on the blue background. That actually looks cute together. But this is the side that I really love, which is the swans. It's like a motif. It almost looks like wallpaper. I love that. And we got two of the bows. Take that. Very cute. Of course she had to have bows, right? It's so pretty. And then you got the geometric on the back. And oh my gosh, another animal theme that would work so pretty with a birthday or baby shower or spring. Any of those. It's so pretty. And then you have the lines, stripes. It's cute. And here she did with the washi design again. To me, that's what it looks like. It looks like washi. It's so cool with the frames. And then the back is that paint smears. So that's cool. I like that. This one are those, what are these called? The bullhorns or whatever? I don't know what they're called. This one's called Joey or Glee. Glee. Alright. And then you got that blue beautiful blue. That's the same color blue in the Sunny Days. So pretty. I love how you can look at her collections and see the colors from the familiar collections. And I see how now the other girls, how they combine collections. I got two of the cutouts again, and this one is like Polaroids. They look like Polaroids to me. So here's one, and then you have this like journaling strip here. And then here's another set of cards. Look at these film strips. It looks so cute. Can you guys even see that? There you go. Like film strips up on the top. Yeah, that one's cute. Oh wait, and here's the back. That's cool. More cut aparts. Very pretty. This collection is so cute. And this, of course, is all the fruit. Jubilee. That's what this one's called. Jubilee. And then that rainbow pattern. But the rainbow has like little polka dots in them. Can you see that? So, yeah, that's cute. And look at this. This one is Sweetly with little air balloons. Hot air balloons, and then you have a geometric on the back. It's very cute. I'm imagining like boxes and stuff with those. And then you have the polka dots. Now I do believe there's more prints to this collection. I just didn't get all of them. I just got what I liked and then I doubled up on them. This one's Sparkle. So that is pretty. Love that. So that is it for my haul, guys. Other than that, I'll be posting some new videos soon. I have a few things that I want to take care of, and then I might even try to go live this weekend. I'm not sure, but we'll see. And thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.